Hello people of the vlog, good morning. Oh, I think the lighting is so bad. Let me just scoot back a little bit, that way the lighting could be better. Welcome back to my channel. Happy March. We are in the third month of the year, which is so crazy that the months are like running by. It is Saturday morning. I wanted to vlog a weekend in my life. I haven't done one of those in a while, so I thought I would take a break from the weekly vlog and just do like my weekend. So that's just Saturday and Sunday. Hopefully I can get like enough footage for you lot. And the reason why my face is looking a bit like whitish is because I have sunscreen on. The sunscreen that I currently used from the Face Shop, which I think I've shared before, has like a white tint, which I'm not really a fan of, but you still have to wear sunscreen. I did order a new one actually, which I'm waiting for it to come in by hopefully Monday or Tuesday. It's from Cooler. I don't know if you guys know Cooler, but it's like a spray on sunscreen. But let me just run down my plans for the day. I'm currently about to go make some breakfast, which I think I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I am headed to a toy market at like 10:45 with Idil, my friend Idil. She's been meaning to go grab some stuff. She's always asking me like, where do I get stuff at 10? I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take you. So I'm gonna go to toy market, do a little shopping for her, and then come back, get ready. I wanted to attend the Insta market that's happening today at the Alchemist, which is the one that is women inspired. As you guys know, this is International Women's Day weekend. On Sunday is the actual international. So I have a brunch to attend tomorrow at Intercon, but today I think I'm gonna go to the Alchemist and just check it out, see a couple of friends that I haven't seen in a while. I'm just gonna head over to the kitchen, make some breakfast, and then get dressed and head out. Obviously when you go to toy, you don't want to dress all super fancy and everything, so I'm just gonna put on like very cash clothes, shoes that I can walk in. I'm having oats for breakfast, so I'm just gonna blend these because these are like the jumbo oats. And that is breakfast. Raspberries, strawberries, grapes. Hey guys, today is Saturday. I'm headed out to go grab some food. Really wanted to talk about this stuff, so Asmini Beauty sent me the Elf Jelly Pop. It's not focused. There we go. She sent me the Elf Jelly Pop Watermelon Jelly Cleanser, and you guys, this is what I use as my first cleansing. Like usually when I do the oil cleanse, I switched it out for this, and this takes out the makeup seamlessly, and it doesn't leave your face like oily afterwards. I love this stuff. Oh my god, so perfect. If you guys are trying to get this, I would really highly suggest it. I've used already this much, and I've had it for like about 2 weeks now, or a week and a half, but I really like this. So yeah, that's practically it, guys. So I made it to Hashmi's. It's a restaurant in Parklands. The food is A1. If you guys like grilled food, and I don't know how to explain it, I'll just show you when the food gets here, but they have the best tangerine juice ever. So that's what the food looks like. This is the mixed grill. It comes with chicken, kebab, mutton, beef, whole lot of gang shit. Hey guys, today is Sunday. I know I was supposed to vlog a lot yesterday, but I didn't because I don't know. I honestly do not know why, but I wanted to do this like a weekend vlog, but I think I'm just gonna stretch it out to the rest of the week and see what I'm up to and everything. But I really wanted to share with you guys a few new skincare products that I received yesterday. I actually ordered this off of Beautylish, and I really wanted to try this skincare brand, and they finally came yesterday, so I just wanted to share with you guys. The brand I'm talking about is Good Molecules. They are a new affordable skincare brand. It's kind of like The Ordinary, but their products are a bit different, but they do also have some products that are similar to The Ordinary, so I really wanted to give it a try and see if they are better than The Ordinary. So I'm gonna start off with the serums that I got. So I picked up 3 different serums from these guys, and the first one is a super peptide serum. First of all, the packaging is super cute. Yeah, the packaging is super cute. Formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. I know I don't have wrinkles, but I feel like I'm hitting 25 soon, so I need to start worrying about my skin as I'm aging. So prevention is always better than cure, so I just need to start taking care of my face before I start developing wrinkles and smile lines. But I do have like smile lines here. I do have a little bit of like fine lines here as well, so I'm just trying to help with that. The second serum I got is a daily brightening serum. It is formulated with beta-arbutin and hyaluronic acid to gently brighten skin tone. This is for both AM and PM use. All the serums look the same, by the way. They just look like that. The packaging, I really enjoy the packaging. I can't wait to like put these standing somewhere. And then the final serum is a overnight exfoliating treatment. It kind of reminded me of like the exfoliating serum from The Ordinary, one that looks like blood, formulated with 10% AHAs and BHAs. Now the next items that I got were the facial oil set. I was really expecting these to be bigger than they looked, but then I thought, okay, maybe what I got, but then I thought like maybe since I got the set of 3, then maybe it would be like the mini size, like the travel sizes, and there's actually a large size if you bought it on its own, but turns out all of them are this size even if you bought these separately, which is kind of weird because they sell one for $10 each, but when you buy the set you get it for $28, which is kind of expensive, to be honest, because it's just like 13 ml. Anyway, besides the point, now I know. So the next item that I got was something very interesting that I've never seen. Vitamin C booster powder. What it does, it's a antioxidant booster with 100% L-ascorbic acid to brighten, smoothen, and firm. So what you do, it comes in like a powder form. It comes like a little spoon, which I've tried vitamin C serums, obviously the different forms, so I thought I would try under vitamin C booster, which is like such a cute concept. So it comes in a powder. So what you do is you mix like a spoonful of this tiny spoon into serums or moisturizers until dissolved. Apply once daily in the morning or at night. Apply once daily in the morning or at night up to 3 times per week. So I found this very exciting. And then the next item I got, I really wanted to get their caffeine eye serum, but it was out of stock, so probably in my next re-up. The products are pretty cheap, by the way. The serums go for like $9 each, some was $6. This brand is very affordable, and that's the main reason why I was gravitated towards them. I felt like they're very competitive with The Ordinary, which I absolutely love, so I thought maybe if they would provide an alternative. So this is caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches, formulated to firm, energize, and hydrate tired eyes. I was so excited about this. These are like eye patches, hydrogel eye patches, and they are 30 pairs. I paid $18 for this one bottle, which I think 30 pairs will last me a while. I used 1 pair last night, can't wait to use the rest. I decided to try a new sunscreen. As you guys know, I really advocate for sunscreen. Sunscreen is something very important in your day-to-day skincare. I don't know, if you're not wearing it, you really need to check your life. So the current skincare that the current sunscreen that I'm using is by The Face Shop. It's an Asian brand, Korean skincare brand, and I really don't like the white cast it leaves on my face. I used to use the one by Alba Botanica from Healthy You, very organic one, and then I found the Face Shop one, which was a high SPF, and I was like, okay, you know what, well, let me just try switch it up. I really like it, doesn't break me out, but the only issue is it has that white cast, or it's somewhat tinted, which I'm not a real fan of, because when I wear it, I kind of look ghostish, I look washed out, so I'm not a fan. So I decided to try out a new sunscreen by Cooler. This is the SPF 30 Pina Colada sunscreen spray and plant protection. Now I didn't know this was just for body, but I'm gonna try to use it on my face and see if it works. If I see some sort of like a breaking out, then I would stop using it. If I don't, then we'll see. I'm gonna try this on my skin and see what it says. Hopefully it turns out good. That is all my products from the Good Molecules brand. I'm gonna try these out for a month and see how it works out and let you guys know what I'm thinking about. I'm finally ready. I'm actually heading off to the waterfront at 25th Hive, the makeup shop. They told me to come in so they can shade match me and everything, so I'm headed there. That's why I have no makeup on, and I'm headed out with this girl right here. Say hi. We're headed out. I just wanted to show you guys how my skin is looking so glowy. I used the new sunscreen from Cooler, the spray one, and it worked so well. I feel like it's given me some sort of like a glow. I'm digging this. Let's go. Guys, so I just left the 25th Hive and she was kind enough to give me a small package. I'll probably unbox once I get home, but we are at a art gallery right now and I want to show you a few pieces because it's kind of dope. But I didn't know Waterfront had so many cool like aesthetic shops. This is probably one of my favorites. I would definitely get this and put it up my wall. This one's really nice. Kal arakan. Morning guys, today is a Monday morning. I just wanted to come on here, let you know what I'm up to today. So I'm headed to Art Cafe, Union Village, to meet Hallie. I don't know if you guys know Hallie. She's a fellow content creator. Absolutely love her work, so I'm going to go meet her personally for the first time. But I wanted to mention that the foundation I'm wearing today is the one that I got from 25th Hive yesterday, and I actually really like the way it looks now, but I'm gonna see how it wears out the whole day. Since I'm late, I will show you guys later when I'm back, but right now I'm gonna rush. We're gonna go meet Hallie, catch up with her.
Fix my hair. This is like going on YouTube. This is crazy.
Say hey!
Hello!
Guys, so I met with Hallie today. I kept her waiting for like an hour.
It's fine. It's okay.
I'm so sorry, but we finally linked up. Say hi.
We met. Hello, friends of YouTube.
What do you do?
What do? I have, where do you look? This is
Here.
So you look into there. Cool. Sorry, I don't know this. So I have my little Insta blog, which is Hallie Adore, and I do travel and lifestyle and fashion. Yeah, that's what I do. And that's how I met Yasmin.
Yay! New friends.
On the internet. Yeah.
So we're just hanging out at Art Cafe. I'm gonna tag all her socials down below so you guys can check her out and support her. Her content is amazing, all the travel vlogs. I feel like I'm always there with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Like,
and then now we'll go together.
Exactly,
yeah.
Literally. I'm excited. So yeah. So I just finished linking with Hallie. It was so good to see her. I've been a fan of her work for the longest time ever. She does such amazing content. But I'm still here at Art Cafe. Just I have something on my face. I don't know what it is. Am I breaking out? It's really weird. Anyway, I am currently still at Art Cafe. Hallie had to leave, unfortunately, but I'm just getting some work done. So one thing that I wanted to do this year is revive my blog. I don't know if you guys, a lot of people know, but I had a blog which only had one post. Okay, before I started doing YouTube, I wanted to do a blog but I only made a post, and I found YouTube being more easier, but I'm trying to revamp that and see if I can get that off the ground, because I realize there's a lot of stuff that I want to say or I want to share, and I can't really share that in a video or like an Instagram post or Instagram story. So I decided to revive my blog. So hopefully if it's up and running, I'm gonna leave the link underneath this video, like in the description box. But until then, I'm just gonna work on it and fix it and everything. But yeah. So today's Tuesday, and I just wanted to share the things that I got from the 25th Hive. Like I said, Grace was so kind enough to have me at the shop so she can shade match me with a foundation, and I really wanted to try this is the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I always wanted to try this. I heard it's like a very good dupe for the Huda Beauty one. As you guys know, I like the Huda Beauty one, but it's a bit too matte for me, and the scent, it is scented, and I really don't enjoy that scent anymore, so it kind of like irritates me. So I got this one. I tried it on yesterday. Yesterday was the first time I ever wore it, and I absolutely really love it. It's not completely matte, it's like a nice velvety matte, which I love. The coverage is amazing. My shade is the 60 caramel. It's a bit darker than me, tanner than me, just like a tiny bit, but I like it regardless. The next thing in here is an eyeshadow palette from Maybelline as well. This is the Lemonade Craze. I used to see this palette back in the day, and I'm super happy that I received it. It has really nice, lovely, like everyday colors, some nice champagne shimmers and everything. So there's a setting spray in here. I've never really owned a matte setting spray. This is by Gerald Cosmetics. It's the Slay All Day setting spray, and I think it's the matte one because that's what it says somewhere. There we go. So that's what it looks like. It looks very nice, but it does say matte somewhere. The next two things in here are pigments from Inglot, and there are two shades. I don't think the shades are written here. It's 125 and 224, I think. Yeah, so it's E-Gold eyeshadow pigment, and then the other one is like a more purpley pinky, like sort of like a duochrome but not duochrome. Those are the two pigments. I haven't worn shimmer shadow in a while, so I guess this will give me a chance to, like a reason to. And the final thing in here is a skincare product. She told me to try the L'Oreal Red Flowers Cleansing Gel Cream. It's like a face wash, and it's soothing, so I really like that. It's good for dry and sensitive skin. I don't have dry skin, but I do have sensitive skin. Thank you so much, Grace. I'm gonna leave the page link down below so you guys can check them out and everything. I think I'm gonna film an IGTV video today, playing around with this. Okay guys, today is Wednesday, by the way. Tuesday? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and I just filmed an IGTV video with the products that I received from the 25th Hive. I actually really like the way it came out. I can't remember the last time I wore shimmer shadow on my lids, but I'm digging this. I'm wearing these cute earrings that I got from Du Bois. I really like how like abstract they are. It looks like they say a word, but they don't, or do they? I really don't know, and I really don't care. But yeah, update, I don't have a laptop. I'm currently using my sister's laptop. Like, I'm using it with her, so whenever she's not using it, I try to use it. But I don't have any editing software on there yet because I have to update the computer. So hopefully I can get these vlogs out sooner than later. All right, so today's the next day and I filmed the video actually, so I'm very proud of that. But I think I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to join the fam down below. Hit the bell notification to be notified whenever I post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking